Hi everyone, I'm Patricia.
I'm Mallory,
and we're on the CX team here at Fictive. And we're bringing you October's Hardware Roundup in style.
And to keep things festive, we made sure to channel our Halloween spirit.
Let's start off with a candy fact. Advances in automation and food science mean that candy manufacturers can produce unique sweets.
They've even developed melt-proof chocolate that remains solid at 122 degrees Fahrenheit.
Whoa! Only chocolate can cure a resting witch face.
I would make a skeleton joke, but you probably wouldn't find it very humorous.
Let's move on to industry news, boys and ghouls. Google is investing $150 million into manufacturing products with renewable energy. By 2020, Google wants 100% of shipments to be carbon neutral and be made with recycled materials.
You may have heard that Boeing and Virgin Galactic have partnered with the goal of advancing commercial human spaceflight. Virgin Galactic is expected to be the first publicly traded spaceflight company.
Well, that's fantastic! You ready for hardware news?
Yeah, let's do it!
Up first, this soft elastic implant helps people with inner ear damage hear again. The electrodes in these implants were inspired by kirigami paper cutting and machined at the micron level.
Incredible, that's tiny!
Super tiny.
What if an army of tiny robots built large structures out of an array of identical pieces? This concept of robotic assembly could revolutionize the production of large-scale systems like airplanes, bridges, and entire buildings. Oh my!
And last but not least, researchers have created a robotic arm with stunning realistic movements. It uses a combination of brushless motors, pulleys, and joint mechanisms for a good range of smooth motion.
Let's get spooky with some magical monster mechanics. We took a look at how Hollywood uses cutting-edge engineering and manufacturing to bring animatronics to life. Creepy cool.
To learn more, click the link on the screen to check out the full story on our fabulous Fictive blog.
Let's finish with a clip of OpenAI's robotic hand solving a Rubik's Cube in minutes.
And that's all for this month's Hardware Roundup.
Be sure to subscribe for future hardware news.
Happy Halloween from the CX team here at Fictive!